Owning a home is something that fills you with pride and a sense of accomplishment. Our First Federal Bank of Kansas City community lending team worked with many families in 2023 to reach this life-changing goal, like Amber Moore, who was determined to break the cycle of being a lifelong renter. No one in her entire family had ever bought a home.
Homeownership was something that I didn't think that I could get because either I didn't, have enough money at the time, or I wasn't in the right job at the time, or I wasn't, I didn't have the right credit score. That myth was shattered when I became a member of First Federal. I found out that there are funding opportunities out there and grants for people that are looking for first-time homes.
Luz Gonzalez was once homeless. She eventually found an apartment and worked 2 jobs with one goal: save up enough money to buy her first home for her 2 children.
Que los sueños se hacen realidad. Solamente hay que trabajarlos paso a paso y llegar al final.
She was a single mom, and she is working so hard for those kids. And they deserve a home.
So whenever you get to help somebody and you see how hard they're working to try to get a house, it makes me really happy.
In 2023, our community lending team helped more than 80 families buy a home. Education is the key to help first-time homebuyers prepare for success. Our First Federal team led 16 homebuyer education classes throughout Kansas City, teaming up with nonprofit organizations such as Habitat for Humanity, Community Link, El Centro, and Community Housing of Wyandotte County.
I want to thank the whole CRA team at First Federal for coming out to support our homebuyer education classes. All of your folks provide amazing education. They support our housing counselors, so it just helps to deepen that partnership between us.
Carlos Almanza Sr. lived in a mobile home with his family. Our team was able to help qualify him for our $5,000 Better Together grant, plus we added CHWC's $14,000 for a total of $19,000 in down payment assistance.
Espero que se animen muchas familias a hacerse su casita y que sí se puede, nada más es quitarse el miedo.
Our First Federal Bank of Kansas City team is determined to live out our vision, prosperity, and a home for all by changing lives one family at a time.
First Federal is very hip. Do it. Get a checking account, get a savings account, get you a mortgage lender. They are great.